Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jess with Catch You Down the Trail. As you can see, we've gotten a lot done with our van build, but in this week's video, we're going to show you all how we installed our MaxXAir vent and our 3M Thinsulate insulation. So I will link those products in the description box below. I hope you enjoy the video and we'll catch you down the trail. Luke doesn't cuss. This is a family channel. So today, Luke and I are putting the roof vent in. So this is our template. It's 14 by 14. Just cut it with cardboard, found the center, drilled a hole up through the roof so we kind of know where it needs to be placed on the roof. I'll take you down under here and show you why it has to be measured out really well. Look under here, we have this piece and we have these two pieces here, and our 14 by 14 hole just fits in the gap. So we really got to make sure we get it in there perfect. Measure once, measure twice,
measure 3 times,
because you only get to cut once. Tape. Luke read online that it was easier to use if you froze it, so we put it in the freezer, and I don't really know what it's like when it's not frozen. So I just finished putting the butyl tape on, and it's sunny out, so it started warming up a lot. And as it was warming up, I definitely noticed it was more difficult to use. It was harder to get the backing off of it. So I would definitely recommend doing what we did and putting it in the freezer before you put it on your roof. It's just a lot easier to use, easier to maneuver, not as messy. So we put our inside piece on top of the butyl tape. We're gonna go in and pre-drill some holes here, and then put our screws in, and that should be good. Luke has done it. He's got it all screwed in. Yeah. I'm gonna take this lap sealant with this guy on it. He looks trustworthy. I feel like he makes a good lap sealant. And
that guy knows lap sealant.
Yeah, anytime you see a bald guy on something, I'm gonna trust he knows what he's doing when it comes to lap sealant. So for our insulation, we decided to go with the 3M Thinsulate. We got a 20-foot roll. We measured out, and this seems like this is just gonna be enough for us. So I'm gonna start measuring what we need and cutting it out, and I got a spray adhesive to get it to stick to the walls. So we have the fan in, which means we could finish the insulation. I also put some on the wheel wells. I shoved all of the excess scraps in these holes. And we still maybe have about a yard of insulation left over. So maybe we'll find something to do with that. But this is what we've got. It looks good, slowly but surely coming along. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. We really enjoy making them and sharing them with everyone. We hope you learned something, and we'll catch you guys down the trail.
Catch you guys down the trail.
What are you doing?